ChatGPT is a powerful natural language generation (NLG) model that can create realistic and engaging text based on a given prompt. It can be used for various purposes such as writing stories, generating lyrics, creating jokes, and more. But did you know that you can also use ChatGPT to automate some of your daily tasks and make your life easier? In this video, we will introduce you to 3 ChatGPT extensions that can help you with different aspects of your work and personal life. 1. ChatGPT for WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps in the world, with over 2 billion users. It allows you to communicate with your friends, family, colleagues, and clients through text, voice, and video calls. However, sometimes you may not have the time or energy to reply to all the messages you receive, or you may want to send a personalized message to multiple contacts at once. That's where ChatGPT for WhatsApp comes in handy. ChatGPT for WhatsApp is a Chrome extension that lets you use ChatGPT to generate automatic replies for your WhatsApp messages. You can customize the tone, style, and content of your replies based on the sender and the context of the message. You can also use ChatGPT to create templates for common messages such as greetings, invitations, confirmations, reminders, and more. You can then use these templates to send bulk messages to your contacts with a single click. ChatGPT for WhatsApp can help you save time and effort while maintaining a friendly and professional communication with your WhatsApp contacts. You can download ChatGPT for WhatsApp from the Chrome Web Store. 2. ChatGPT for Gmail. Gmail is one of the most widely used email services in the world, with over 1.8 billion users. It allows you to send and receive emails from anyone with an email address. However, writing emails can be tedious and time-consuming, especially if you have to write similar emails over and over again. That's where ChatGPT for Gmail comes in handy. ChatGPT for Gmail is a Chrome extension that lets you use ChatGPT to generate automatic emails for your Gmail account. You can customize the subject, salutation, body, and signature of your emails based on the recipient and the purpose of the email. You can also use ChatGPT to create templates for common emails such as requests, inquiries, feedbacks, thank yous, apologies, and more. You can then use these templates to send emails to your contacts with a single click. ChatGPT for Gmail can help you write faster and better emails while avoiding typos and grammatical errors. You can download ChatGPT for Gmail from the Chrome Web Store. 3. ChatGPT for Google Sheets. Google Sheets is one of the most popular spreadsheet applications in the world, with over 1 billion users. It allows you to create and edit spreadsheets online and collaborate with others in real time. However, sometimes you may need to perform complex calculations or analyses on your data that are beyond your spreadsheet skills. That's where ChatGPT for Google Sheets comes in handy. ChatGPT for Google Sheets is a Chrome extension that lets you use ChatGPT to generate formulas and functions for your Google Sheets data. You can simply type in natural language what you want to do with your data, such as, calculate the average sales per month, or, find the outliers in this column, and ChatGPT will generate the corresponding formula or function for you. You can then copy and paste it into your spreadsheet cell and get the result. ChatGPT for Google Sheets can help you perform advanced data manipulation and analysis without having to learn complex spreadsheet formulas or functions. You can download ChatGPT for Google Sheets from the Chrome Web Store. Conclusion: ChatGPT is not only a fun and creative tool for generating text but also a practical and useful tool for automating some of your daily tasks. By using these 3 ChatGPT extensions, you can enhance your productivity and efficiency while using WhatsApp, Gmail, and Google Sheets. Try them out today and see how they can make your life easier. If you like the video, please leave a comment and subscribe for more videos.